It's my baby, it's my love. Touching you slowly, love how you hold me. I was a player.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute 90s inspired hair. This hairstyle was super easy. All I'm using is my 1.5-inch curling iron, and I'm just basically flipping the hair outwards. So as you can see in the video, I'm just curling the hair only at the ends and just letting it flip out like that. I believe the same look could low-key be achieved with a flat iron, which I did end up using at the end just to like fix some pieces I wanted a bit more flip. But the curling iron kind of like gives like a bouncier type of look to it, if that even makes sense. But I'm gonna assume you know what I'm saying. The hair used in this video is from Sunber Hair Company, and honestly, this hair is really good hair. I'm using 3 bundles only. It's thick. That's one thing I do have to say. This hair is super, super thick. So if you're trying to decide between getting 3 to 4 bundles, unless you want like some thick ass hair or you're getting like super long inches, like 26, 24, 30 inches, then get 4 bundles. But if you're doing like a normal 18, 22, you'll be okay with just 3 bundles, because this is just 3 bundles and you can see it's very nice, thick and full. The frontal was great quality. I really like their frontal. Like, it was pre-plucked and everything. I do recommend this hair. And if you want a more in-depth, like detailed hair review, then you can definitely comment down below for one. But on general, this hair is good hair. I don't have anything else to really say about it. I did go ahead and use the boiling water method to make the hair a little bit darker. So the hair did come a lighter brown color than how it looks right now. But overall, 10 out of 10, this hair I do recommend. So I did end up cutting this hair a bit shorter after I finished doing this style. And that's because while I did like the look, there's a certain look I was going for. I wanted something really short, so I had to chop it. But the same way that I'm curling it right now is the same way I curled it after. I chopped it to get the look that you see in like the intro and the outro clips. So yes, this is the hair before. I did end up cutting it much shorter, but it's all the same style, just shorter length. Also on the ends, I'm spraying the Got To Be Freeze Blast on it, just like to let the style could last longer. But honestly, the way this hair is, it holds a really good curl, so I didn't need to do that. But if you find your hair not holding the curl too well, then I recommend you spraying some freeze blast onto the ends so like you can really have a long lasting style. So this was the finished product. I went ahead and used my round brush to kind of brush the curls out and just to help maintain the curls but still fluff them out a little bit. And I'm using my curling iron to just flatten and bump up some pieces. All of this didn't matter because I ended up cutting the hair again and doing it all over, but it's fine. But I still use a round brush and a curling iron when I did cut the hair again. The next few clips are just the final look after I got my makeup done and I went out that night.